It is Christmas time again. Kevin's family is planning to travel to Miami, Florida. The family oversleep. They rush to the airport. Kevin gets lost and gets on a flight to New York by mistake. Kevin arrives in New York. He is alone in New York, but he is happy. He has his father's bag. He has a lot of money. He walks in the Central Park. He meets Bird Lady. Bird Lady is a kind woman. She likes to feed pigeons. Kevin goes to the Plaza Hotel. He uses his father's credit card. The owner of the hotel is Donald Trump. You can see Trump in the movie. When Kevin asks him, "Excuse me, where's the lobby?" Trump says, "Down the hall and to the left." Kevin goes to a toy shop. Mr. Duncan is the owner of the shop. He is a kind man. He's planning to donate money to a children's hospital. Mr. Duncan gives Kevin 2 turtle doves. He says, "Turtle doves are a symbol of friendship and love. If each of you has your turtle dove, you'll be friends forever."